Congratulations! You've completed the Storyboarding Adventure course. Look at everything you've learned and created. Let's walk through this journey together and celebrate all the skills you've learned. We started by answering the big question, what is storyboarding? You discovered it's a visual planning tool that helps bring ideas to life before anything is filmed, animated, or built. Then we learned that every story has parts, a beginning, a middle, and an end. Understanding this structure is the foundation of good storytelling. You learned what panels are, those individual frames that make up your storyboard. Each panel is like a window into one moment of your story. We explored how to draw simple settings that give your characters a world to live in without getting lost in unnecessary details. Through our drawing lessons, you learned how to draw for storyboarding. It's not about being perfect, it's about being clear. You discovered that simple shapes can communicate complex ideas. The goal isn't fancy art, it's visual communication. One of the most important skills you developed was knowing what makes a moment important. Not everything in a story needs to be shown. You learned to identify the key moments that move the story forward and create emotional impact. This is what professional storyboard artists do every day. You discovered how to make stories flow smoothly from one panel to the next. How does the audience follow the action? How do you guide their eye? How do you create rhythm and pacing? These are the questions that turn a collection of drawings into a real storyboard. We explored camera movement concepts, pans, tilts, zooms, and dollies. You learned that where you place the camera and how you move it changes everything about how the audience experiences your story. The camera is your storytelling tool. You saw how real storyboard artists work across different industries. Directors and animators in film, game designers creating adventures, advertisers selling ideas, writers planning their stories, and UX/UI designers mapping user experiences. Even theme park designers and music video creators use storyboarding. It's everywhere. So, what have you become? A visual storyteller, someone who can take an idea and communicate it clearly through images. Someone who understands story structure, composition, and flow. You have skills that professionals use in studios around the world. Whether you use your storyboarding for school projects, personal stories, or future careers, these skills are yours forever. Thank you for joining this adventure. Keep creating, keep imagining, and most importantly, keep bringing your stories to life. You're a storyboard artist now. Go make something amazing.